Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and we have the new video of Faouzia. Today she's gonna sing a song named Birds of a Feather. This is from Billie Eilish and I'm so curious about her cover. Yesterday one of my friends let me know that she's gonna sing the song, so I've listened to the original one and I am ready to listen it from Faouzia. I'm sure that this is gonna be another beautiful cover. The song itself was very cute, very lovely video, very lovely music, and I'm sure that I'm gonna love Fauzia's version. Let's start. Birds of a Feather.
To lose without my baby.
Isn't that started so precious? Isn't that started so lovely, like the original one? But Faouzia, she's so beautiful. When I first saw the thumbnail, I was thinking that there is a leather jacket. Is she making this song a rock music? No, it is same, very similar with the original song. Very lovely music again, very lovely singing style again. And this time from Faouzia. I'm happy. It started so lovely.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die.
Very classy again, very classy, those vibratos again. She's singing very relaxed. She's singing very easy modes. She's looking like that. She's singing for her friends in her living room. She's looking like very relaxed. She's looking like very professional because she is, and it is sounding as beautiful as always. Let's continue.
I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of it.
Beautiful, very colorful.
Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you won't quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but
It's a beautiful change, right, my friends? We've listened her sad songs, depressed songs, dark songs, but this time she's singing very colorful, very light, and very lovely, beautiful music. Very easy to listen, very easy to sing. I think this is a beautiful change, my friends. From time to time, she needs to relax like that. It's a beautiful change, and I'm happy about it. I like that. I like the theme of the song. I like the message of the song. Very beautiful, very easy listening. I like this song.
In another life, you had that same look in your eyes. I love you, don't act so surprised. Till the day that I die, till the light leaves my eyes, till the day that I die.
Oh yes. Beautiful. Very cute video, very lovely video, and let's give credits to the back vocals also. They were so cute also. Faouzia and back vocals together, what a beautiful performance, what a lovely music, what a lovely songs. And we have to give credits to Billie Eilish also. This is really very beautiful music. When I listened it yesterday, I really love that. I love the energy of the song. I love the colors of the song. Very beautiful, positive song. And Faouzia, very beautiful, positive lady in the video. Look at that. How beautiful she is smiling. When I first see her style, I was thinking that she's gonna make this song a rock song. I was thinking, what's happening? Okay, especially metas in her head. I was thinking that this is gonna be a rock cover. Come on. But okay, it is very similar with the original music, and I like that. But if she would make it a rock music, I'm sure that I would love it also. No matter what, Faouzia, she's very beautiful musician. She's a great quality musician. Thank you for all of your informations, my friends. Thank you for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, and let's see you in the next videos. Bye bye.